Your brother's crazy, isn't he? Is he crazy? Here he comes. Dalton, remember, raise your seat. Raise yourself off the seat. Raise yourself off the seat. Oh! What are you doing, buddy? You okay? Ow! What'd you hit? Huh? See, that's why you wear a helmet.
So,
Oh, the handlebars got you?
no, it's chained.
Hey, look.
What?
You hit this right here. When you were coming, you gotta raise yourself a little bit. You can't go at it straight, you gotta raise this up. That way when you jump it, it'll go like this. You okay?
Oh, I see.
I think I got it on video.
Delete it.
No, dude, I'm putting that on YouTube.
No.
Let's check it out. Are you okay?